government. And I use this opportunity to call on my other co-contestants, my male contestants, to consider the love and the care Nigerian voters have shown to them. And as a mark of honor, step down to support this women. I call on the male contestants to step down in the interest of peace and understanding. If Nigeria and our democracy has to advance, my candidature has to be pushed, and the support could come from my fellow contestants. This appeal I make passionately and with all sense of humility. As a mother, I will better have the ability to unite the house. The attributes of a woman is inclusiveness. A woman breathes life. A woman nurtures. At this time of our political history, we need a woman to transform us because we are at a transition to another level. Having a MIRIAM Onuoha on the saddle will bring inclusivity and better management of the house. I have a good background of conflict resolution and peace building. That I will bring on the table to make sure that there is harmony in the running of both the political and the administrative arms of the National Assembly.